Hello guys, this is Alex here again, and today I'm going to show you how to make one more toy from Angry Birds movie, and that is Matilda. And how to make her. She's pretty much the same, only of course wings and legs are added, and body. And of course nose is a little bit different, so it's not that big. So how to start? You need to make something like this. This is base of 10 pieces per row, and size of these pieces are 1/16, and you have 8 rows in total. So first you need to make this. When you make this, continue watching this video. And now what you need to do. So how to start? You need to put somewhere 2 inverted orange pieces like this, and then put on side 2 normal pink pieces, and then put inverted orange piece on top of these 2 inverted like this, and then on side put here 2 white pieces, like this, and then you need to fill these 2 rows with white pieces here, the back part. Like this. So it should look something like this now. And now what you need to do, put here on side of this orange piece like these 2 white pieces, and then put like this on top 1 more white piece. Don't put on this piece anything on this orange piece, and do the same thing on this other side like this. And now fill this rest with white. Like this. And now what you need to do, take 1 white piece and put invertically here on top of these 2 white and little bit on this orange like this, and the rest of this row is white pieces, and that's the final row you will put on body and head, of course, because it's connected. And 1 more, and here you go. And this is pretty much it. And now what you need to do. First let's make hair, for example. For hair you need to take one black piece 132 size, while you fold back, make something like this, and make same thing with pink piece and put on top of black pink like this, and make 3 of them, and then connect them like this and put same thing, this type of pieces on top, but put 3 tops in one piece. So 3 tops in one piece, and then you will get something like this. And then take one white piece 132 size and put all 4 tops inside of that piece, and it should look something like this. And now what you need to do, you only need to put inside this much, and then you can put this inverted piece inside and glue everything, and that's it. So it should look something like this, maybe a little bit more at the back. So that's it for that part. And for tail you will do something similar. You can make like this, so make same thing 3 times and then put on top one piece more to be longer, so make 3 of them, and then put them like this and put on top 2 pieces, 3 tops in one piece, same thing, and we don't need to put anything here on top of them, just squeeze them like this and push inside of some middle piece. You see, when you put some glue it will stand like nothing, and that's it. And now we need to make, let's make wings. So wings are simple, 132 size of pieces, 3-2 formation, so you have 7 rows, start with 3 pieces, finish with 3 pieces, and that's it. And to connect you can use one white piece 132, well, you fold back like this and then put inside of this, and then you need just to push inside of some hole and put some glue, and that's it, like this. And then you need to make one more. So that's the wings. Legs are completely the same as on the previous birds, so let's make that again. 164 size of pieces, you need one piece, then fold back like this, and then make leg if you can, so something like this, just on that part, and then turn in vertically and put inside of 2 pieces, one on each other, 164 same size, and make 3 of them. And when you finish with that you need to connect them, so put 2 pieces on top, and then put 3 pieces on top, and then put 2 pieces on top, but put 3 tops in one piece, decreasing like that, and then finally 1 piece on top. You can put him like this or on top of all 4 tops. And then for the other part you need something like this, 3 pieces, one on each other, 132 size, and 2 pieces 164 orange, one on each other, and 1 piece wally fold 164 for connecting. So put him normally inside, so you see this is normal side, put inside of this part, and then put normally white on top of this, and then you will put invertically, so this is front part, inverted part is front part, and then you need to glue this inside of leg. You just need to push inside and then glue everything, and that's it. You need to glue this back piece because he will hold everything, and will be good. So this is finished leg, something like this. That's it. And now let's finish nose. For nose, take one orange piece, 132 size, open and bend this front part like this, a little bit. And now you will put him like this inside. You don't need to bend anything. This is bottom part of the mouth. And then you need to take one piece. I already make now, so I will use same pieces. I don't need to make it again. But I will show you how. So you have this 116, this is 132, this is 116, this is upper part. You need to open, and then you see this is side of piece where we have this bend, and then bend like this to the middle line, because we need these lines here, and then try to open a little bit, and these two push them together like this, and then squeeze this down. So, and then whole nose bend up a little bit, so you can see this shape, make this shape of him. See, and then all thing you need to do is to put inside here, somewhere here, and then at the bottom part you will push this so it should look something like this. You see, you just need to put down here and glue, and that's it, nothing so complicated. And last thing is eyes and eyebrows. You need to draw them. So this is eyebrows, they are small with black color, something like that. Maybe you can make bigger, I don't know what you like more. This kind of shape. And eyes, simple thing. I glued this part on eye, I didn't cut out same thing in once. So green eyes, you can make other shape of eyes, you don't need to make like this, but I will put like this because maybe it's better, I don't know. And so that's pretty much it for parts. If you didn't understand anything or something, you can leave in comments some questions. So now I will glue everything and show you how it looks. So guys, when you finish, it looks something like this. So as you can see, you can put feet and leg in this piece, but not in front, maybe in middle and at the back part of the piece, because it's bigger piece. This is leg is 132 and this is 116. So how to find that piece? You see this middle line, and you have two pieces on in first row, two pieces on left and two pieces on right. Put in second piece here and second piece here, because we don't have middle piece in this first row when you watching in front. And that's it. So that's whole parts connected. You can put eyes and eyebrows, something like this. And when you put this bottom part of the mouth, you can put over this piece or inside this piece, white, this middle one, because that's your choice. I don't know what you like better. Maybe this is better, I don't know. Something like that. So that's it, guys. If you like this Matilda, you can like this video and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos and more tutorials. I don't know if I'm going to make Blackbird or Bomb, because I'm not sure, but probably I will make him, don't know when, and maybe future tutorials will be for some pigs or something like that. Or maybe Stella, I don't know. I will see. So that's it. Take care, guys. I see you soon. Bye.